comments. How to look at the comments. Building ko. Kailan ba to? Vibrate sa akin. Ayun na. Oh my God, it's live! Hello! This is our post concert meal. Pizza. Sarap na ito kulit, Bengi.
Yes. Hi, guys!
Hi! Ano sa Pinas?
Masarap to. 4
Ito.
a.m.
It's 1 a.m. here.
Sa rin, pagkatapos. Lagyan natin ito sa rin.
Ay, garlic sauce part.
Girls, may garlic sauce ata dyan. Oh, you're live!
Para rin sa
Diba? Yes, I'm live po. Hi guys!
Ito yung pinaka-excited.
Tonight will be our first night sa Beanie Bus.
Ay, brisco.
Pizza with ranch. Masarap ng ranch.
Do it. Yeah, it's like that.
Ay, ito ang akin. Ito ang gusto ko. Hindi, ito. Really?
Yes, I agree.
No?
Put this in the red.
No, Alem?
Better to last than
Kaya mas malaki.
Oh, what?
Tsaka may meron.
Di ba?
Ano?
Ako po.
Mas maganda po, mas maganda to.
May full body mirror ba?
Mas may platform. Oo nga eh.
Kasi last time ay parang
Correct. At saka at least walang walang carpet na pwede. Okay, let me see if I can open this ref. Uy, easy. Oh my. Ay, ito pala yung Coke. Shit.
wow!
Ewan ko.
Ito pala ang dami dito.
May Coke Zero.
Ano tayo? Gusto mo kang tayo?
That's malamig.
Merong malamig dito ulit. Level ka ha, mother? Ay, malamig.
Let me first.
Ito kasi, thank you po. Sorry.
Is Mommy Joe in here?
Yes. Yes, Dave.
Mommy Joe, are we going to be ready in 15 minutes?
Sure.
15 minutes?
Yes.
Copy that, thank you.
Thank you.
Fine.
Pero maganda walang carpet. Ano na to? Ano na to?
Babe,
Wala
tignan
carpet.
mo.
Ay, mahirap na tayo. Ulang na nang mga gumigawa dito.
Say hi, guys.
What is dito?
Hello, 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 hello.
Coke? Into this. Later? Pagtulog na kayong lahat.
Binugasan mo? Mother, say hi.
Nahugas-hugas. Hindi ko nagamit.
Pagod.
Hoy! Ano ba? Aya, ulitin mo yung ano mo. Dito yung ano mo. Kwento mo nga
I'm not
yan.
gonna mention ya! I'm not gonna mention ya, hindi sa search. Yung tita ko nag-video siya, tapos heart eyes siya.
Garlic. Lalagay mo dyan po. You're in the bus na.
Mother, can you open? Yes. Can you open? Hindi ako sa sabay na eh. Can you open that? Don't go in the windows.
Oh, guys. Colette, meron kang ang distilled water na ba? Isa lang yan. Okay. You're real? Yung sa'yo ba to?
Yes.
Yes, guys, we're inside the bus. Yung bed arrangement is the bus, pero basta ako yung nasa third floor, because there's 3 floors. First, yung gitna, and then third, and then 9.
It's 8 hours.
Yes!
No?
That means 8 hours of sleep.
If it's 8 hours away, or 8 hours of sleep.
Yahoo! Yahoo!
Ask questions, we'll read them and answer it.
Girls, if you don't like water na malamig, you
Ay, ako po, mami.
Get it from this box.
Okay po.
Yan!
I don't like cold.
Ay!
Bigger?
Ay! Ay!
Kasi it has my
Ay!
We're back. We are back. First night of our tour bus journey.
And we're gonna eat. This is from Blooms. Parang masarap siya eh. Tikman mo. Ay, ang cute niya lang. May lalo na ilagay. Ang siya. Tapos, cookie and then dark chocolate.
Sinong taga Pinas dyan? It's 4 p.m.
So, babawasan ko na ng ilang minutes ko.
Yes!
Okay, bye. Maleta pa yung mga pasote. Nasa ilalim na ng bus.
Naku, yung reels ko nga, it's kumakapit. Look, it's so long now. Look at
Nilagay
this,
lang
it's so
muna
long.
namin sa maleta.
Look at the gap.
Actually, Aya, baka meron na nasama na laundry sa'yo. Basta malaking shirt. Sobrang ano mo naman, Beth? Ay, good night na ako. Pero yung lago, look at this!
Her and her Jollibee glass.
So, i-mute natin.
I'll show you tattoo ko andito. Papakita ko. Ala!
Ito pala yung ako yata yung
Third. Na nagkaroon ng tattoo. Ang daming nagulat sa inyo, no?
Guys, picture daw muna. Stocks. Her spirit is right. Nasa stocks. Nasa dito. Sila magte-picture sa bus eh. Watch. Stocks. 1, 2. Tulog na.
I don't know what font it was. Basta sabi ko na lang sa kilala ko na hindi mo make it any less.
Yung color na light kasi brown, dark brown. Color bago pa lang.
I don't have just... Okay, so, okay, I'll...
Ano yan?
Public ako din.
May kumuha pa ako. Ang dami pala.
What's that?
Kumuha pa ako ng Hindi, at saka maganda smaller size.
Can I have Doritos?
This or...
The red. Okay, thank you so much. Oh, diba? Kain. No, okay, I'll tell you the story of how I got that. Ang daming questions about my
Ay, ano ba yan?
Guys, nabasag yung Jollibee glass ni Joanna.
Kailangan natin ng wine. Meron doon sa taas. Meron po?
Hold on.
May itapon mo na yan.
Pag kumalma lahat, I will answer.
May paper towels. Wala. May paper towels. Hindi, wipes kasi malagkit. Okay, I have. I think pala. Okay.
I'll answer everyone's question. Pag kumalma na lahat.
Kawawa naman. Oo.
Dry na lang pala. Dry.
There was the wifi.
I'm overstimulated.
Ayaw mag-connect eh. Dali.
Excuse me, Baloy.
4.5 years. I was a silent partner. She's two-year thing. Yeah, so this year I ran it off.
Parang ayaw din dati ko.
Nakakonnect kayo sa wifi?
Ayaw.
Steady.
Ayaw mag-connect stop.
So it's a good
Hi, guys.
Sean,
How are you? Is the Wi-Fi working here?
Nakadito ako.
is on the
Guys, may tattoo na to si Joanna. Ito. Joke lang. Dito na pala.
Okay, baka we're
Wala.
the road. You
Ano
can
kaya
connect
first
with
natin?
mine.
Bini.
Okay. Are you guys ready?
Good, good, na.
Bye, ko!
Feeling ko old yan.
Cool.
Hi,
Ano?
Mga old.
You will never know unless you try.
Time is
the
gold.
Wi-Fi is Breeze Coach number 70. That probably says something different.
Oh, yeah.
It should be
Wait.
out.
Hindi man lang pinakita yung boss.
Mother, say hi to the bloom.
That will change.
Hello. We're so very tired. It's 1:15 a.m.
Yeah. Ito yung buhay namin after ano.
Turo mo naman sila sa ano.
Sa bus, I will.
Later.
When I'm calmed down.
Yeah, but
I'm
everybody's
overstimulated
is
right now.
sleeping. You are? Oh,
Dami na nangyari.
So mamaya ka mamaya ka.
Yeah.
Nakinig ko ba?
Alam niyo guys,
Yes.
sa bus like last year, kami ni si MK yung laging late na natutulog. Kasi kami lang dalawa yung ano, chichikahan about life and here.
Dahil?
Kasi wala. Wala na. Kasi sabi ko lang kausap ko.
We're good.
Oh, no.
Oh! I look like shit. Nasaan yung garlic ano? Masarap yung garlic ano?
Mars lang start. I don't know. Basta I'll just end.
Okay.
Kain.
Did you say hi naman?
Yeah.
Yes, I
Is that where
did.
the guys are?
Pagod?
Yeah, the dancer. Yes. And the glass.
Sa pagod ako sa shower.
So that's the
Sa
part.
marag-marag.
Okay.
Sa cons.
Oh. Ay, oo nga. Salon pass.
Yung 3 days na dire-diretso.
We got it!
Yeah.
Smile! Smile! Don't you be sad.
That one is the same size, just a little taller.
Meron din bloom na 3 days dire-diretso. Oo nga.
Ang sakit rin ng dito ko.
Ilan na daw tapo
Nag-work
mo
siya.
Hmm? Ilan na tapo mo?
Saan? 5. Saan ba? 5. Pababa. Hanggang dito. Dito. Ito lang. Tapos sa likod. The last.
Ah, yung maliit. Oh, yung pinaka, youngest pa yung may maraming tapo.
Sa Ate Aya?
Pero ako nauna sa kanya. Ngayon lang alam.
May nakita akong gumawa ng order. Kung sila mga nagpa...
Oo. Yung una, wala kayo natama. Si Maloy.
Oo, Ate Maloy. Siya
Pangalawa.
bunot.
Kinagalitan ni Mother.
What?
Kinagalitan ni Mother.
Fun fact. Si Ate Maloy. Ano? Ate Maloy, nagpatats. Hindi pa
I saw.
Tapos yung unang-una pa,
Dito pa.
sobrang laki.
Red.
Sobrang laki na red. Tapos
Kino-concealer pa niya.
tago. Galit si Mother.
Grabe naman
Oo.
Galit si Mother.
Galit siya.
Anong year ba yun? 2024?
At saka ano yun, matago, oo mo.
Dinabigla kasi, dinabigla sila.
No, he's fine.
Oh, he's...
Mother, what if full sleeve?
Ay! Oh my God, no!
Bakit?
Pero mukha yung beanie.
No!
It's a personal, parang si Kilani ba? Full sleeve ba? Yung full sleeve ba si Kilani? Basta ang alam ko, ang dami niyang tattoo. Diba?
Kailan ba naging legal
We're all ready,
mag-dance?
ladies?
Nung wala nang pake.
Nung Cebu, nakita ni... Cebu ba mo? Cebu. Nakita ni Mother yung sa likod ko, yung lines. Di pa, kumbaga,
Actually, okay
hanggang sabi ko, hello mother, are you mad? Tapos sabi niya,
Yeah.
tinanong ko, pero okay na pala magpatats yun. Tapos sabi niya, okay na, tatandaan niya. Ayun, nagpatats ako marami.
Okay. So may confirmation.
Yun.
Ako, hindi pa pwede that time actually. Kasi ako,
Gulat ka ako, may tattoo ko nun.
oo, kasi yung nauna si Maloy, tapos si Mika. Sa kanya tago. Sa,
Sabi kay Mix,
sa baby.
yun,
Yeah.
medyo magba ng waist.
Sa waist. Tapos sa akin naman, sa waist, una is isa pa. So there was one time na I went to Taiwan, solo, one day trip. Tapos, random lang, biglang sabi lang na, tara patatlo tayo, gano'n. So ako parang, ha? Tapos gusto ko lang kasi ma-experience yung pain. Curious ako.
Diba?
Tapos, ayun, tinanong ko talaga yung kilala ko na tattoo artist na masakit ba? Kasi gusto ko sa gilid. Kasi tago, kasi nag-iisip ako like, saan ba lang parang tago
Tingin ko nga.
na pesto for the
It's
tattoo?
cheese smaller.
Tapos yeah, I thought of yun sa waist, para walang nakakaalam. Ano yun?
Really?
It was super sponty. As in like, 5 minutes. Nasa tattoo shop kasi kami that time. So parang,
So, ang last konti lang.
as in like, tara tattoo. Okay. Ayun. And then,
Alam naman lang, diba? Dalawa sila.
hindi, okay. So, I have 2 tattoos. I have 2. First one is dito sa left. 27 kasi birthday ko. Tapos,
Ay!
and then, I went on another trip to Taiwan again. Kasi gusto ko yung mag-tattoo sa akin. Kasi same nang nag-tattoo. Para equal. So, ayaw removing. Tapos, I got 01 on the other side. Kasi, 2001 and January. And, turns out, birthday din ni Honey. So, yeah, July 1.
Sabi ko nga, dahil meron siyang left-right, maganda rin siya, gitna and back.
Alikod.
Kumbaga,
Until ma-form.
hanggang mag-orasan ka na. Yun yung theme mo, Tiay.
Orasan.
Orasan. Mag-orasan ka na. Ng birthdays ng bini, birthdays ng pamilya.
Ay, okay lang. No need.
Ayun.
Okay na.
Nag-aayaan nyo kami couple. Ayaw ng iba magpaano.
Alam mo, gusto nga, ako pa nauna ng na may tattoo sa kuya ko. Kasi gusto ng kuya ko sana, sibling tattoo kami. Wala. Naunahan ko siya. Tapos,
Okay sa kanya.
gusto nga niya, like, the king or queen. Or baka someday, mag-sibling tattoo kami. Pero,
Menchil.
nagulat yung nagulat yung family ko. Pero wala lang. Like, chill lang sila. Wala lang. Ano ba niya mo? Wala.
Alam niya ang man.
Walang
Walang, pag ayaw niya, patanggal ko.
Alister. Concealer. Hindi ko din in-expect magka-tattoo ako. Kasi ayoko din sana eh. Kasi gusto ko clean.
Hindi, tsaka, maano kasi ako, may history ako ng, makiloy.
Ako din! Ako din
Makailoy
pala.
ako.
Makailoy ako.
So parang ang ko, ay, hindi ako pwede magpatats kasi uumbok siya, like parang.
Tapos ako na worried din ako.
Kaya tayo muna ako maliit. Okay naman.
Like, si Ate Francis din yung book.
Yung umbok sa kahit healed na.
Oo. Pero wala. Tapos I observed my first tattoo. So ko, ay, wala.
Okay.
Tapos na-OC kasi ako kasi left. Gusto ko kasi
Mami,
pag mag-bikini para like
Mami Jo?
sa left and right waist.
Eh, tago. Bikini ka na, pakita mo.
Pag magana ka, tanga.
Oo.
Pag nakano. Hindi ko alam anong font. Actually, basta like, sabi ko lang yung malinis na na clean and minimalist. She's gonna go to bed na. Do you have tattoos, Sabir?
No.
Oh.
I was never inclined, so I never thought you had until I saw your picture.
Really? I told you before.
I don't remember.
Feeling ko hindi kayo naniniwala kasi baka akala niya joke ko.
Oo.
Pero
Until
tagpo
I
naman
saw,
siya.
until
Tagpo
I
naman
saw.
siya.
And then you said nga tago.
Yeah. Kasi ayoko, like, gusto ko malinis lang.
Kaya nga.
Yeah.
Tama naman. Sino na lang mula sa
Si Josie.
Stacks?
Josie lang. Yeah, Josie na lang.
Hindi mo masakit.
Hindi, actually, yes, I'm gonna tell you guys.
Oh, yeah.
Mas masakit. Akala ko masakit siya. Like, as in, I was so nervous. Tapos, halos makatulog ako. Mas masakit pa yung... Yeah, mas masakit pa yung prick yung face.
Pero, di ba nagda-draw ng blood pa rin yun? Like,
No.
if you get a prick.
Wala.
Hindi.
Sa akin, wala. Kasi yung ginamit na needle is like really fine.
Oh.
Yeah.
Is there anesthesia? Like, topical anesthesia?
No.
So, wala? Talaga straight to the skin?
Yeah.
Oh my.
Oo. Naunahan ko nga kuya ko mother. Kasi we wanted to get a tattoo.
Oo.
Tapos like, eyes namin, mga ganun or something.
Oo.
So, kuya ko, pakit, ganun.
Ito wala. Si kuya wala. Walang tats.
Yeah. Siguro nadala din ako ng ng sponty trip ko nung pumunta ako
Pero
sa Taiwan.
who was the very first one?
Maloy, and then
Yes.
Mika, and then
Yeah.
me.
Ah.
And then si Colette, Sheena
And
Colette.
then, why in all places?
Ay, Gwen, Sheena Colette.
Why in all places Taiwan?
So, again,
Talagang anong audio ba to?
yeah.
Ay, shucks.
Okay lang. They know naman, I told them, why Taiwan? Kasi I went to Taiwan for a trip. And then, sponty lang din yung trip ko na yun. And then, may kilala kasi ako na tattoo artist. Tapos, we were just hanging out.
Doon?
Oo. We were just hanging out there sa tattoo shop. Tapos, biglang nag-aya yung friend ko pa na, tattoo tayo. Hala? Okay. Yeah. And then, ayun, tattoo. And then, kasi I was feeling adventurous that time.
Yeah.
So, it's like, you know what?
You
This is the
always
time.
feel adventurous.
Yeah. Pero ayoko sana that time. Ayoko ko bakit ba? Or nagdala lang din ako sa pagka-sponty ko that time. And then na-OC ako, so I went back again for my birthday for a day trip.
Oo.
And then I went to the same
You're
tattoo
27.
artist, and then I I'm contented with this.
Yeah.
Unless sibling tattoo siguro pinaka-last ko.
Correct.
Na minimal.
Or family,
Yeah. Personally, yung marami.
Totoo, kasi pag nakikita kasi you might feel different.
So I knew the pain sa first tattoo ko. So I got on the other side. Pero I don't know like sa different parts if painful. So ayun. Ay, lag ba? Biglang tumahimik guys, no? Wala. Am I lagging?
Hello.
Am I lagging or no? I can't tell. Nag-loading, may loading na. Okay, no. Yay! Ayoko mag-bus tour. Baka makadisturb ako sa ibang girls.
questions do you have? Alam mo, where are you? Diyan po. First, third floor. First floor?
Third floor.
Third floor. In this side? On this side?
Alam mo, mother, nag-post yung mama ko ng possible names ko. There were 5 options. Beatrix Queen. Yung pagka-spelling ng Queen, K-W-E-N. Queen. Yes, parang Queen Yasmin. Ano ba? Myra Queen. Tapos may ano ba yun? Isa?
Kasi queen dapat, yung queen ang dapat
Yeah.
yung consistent. Because
Yeah.
king na si
Oo.
si bro.
Tapos, yung pinaka-worst mo there, Menchilu Queen.
Ba yan?
Tapos yung nickname ko, Mench or Etchy. Imagine if my name's
Oh my
Menchilu,
God.
I'm Bini Mench.
I know.
Pangit. Eh, paano mo nakain ng nanay ko that time? Tinanong ko siya. She was like, because she likes the name Mench daw. Tapos kasi, Malu siya. So, dinagdagan niya ng Menchilu. Para daw, Menchi. Ay!
Oh my God.
Menchi
what the
yung
heck?
nickname. Mench or Menchi. Or Etchi. Tapos yun, buti na lang napili yung Mariah Queen. Yung isang natatanging maayos na spelling ng Queen. Diyos ko. Corny ng iba. Ako na lang sa mama ko. Na actually, I saw that when I was in high school. Like, meron siyang notebook. And then I was scrolling. I was going through her stuff. And then may nakita akong notebook. Like, oh, what is this? May mga lagay ng mga utang niya. Ganon. Yung sino may utang sa kanya. Tapos, sa last page yet, or padudun na page, doon nakalagay yung names. I'm like, oh, Menchi. What the heck is Menchi? Ako ba? Pinost pa niya. Tawa ako. Na-reveal tuloy yung taste niya. Okay pa yung Mariah Queen. Actually, I don't use my Mariah na name. Wala lang. I like Aya. I like my name. I like my nickname. Aya is my nickname. That's not my full name. It's Mariah Queen. Yeah. Oo nga eh. Imagine, Menchino. Wala. Sino may sorry. Sorry, baka may taong may pangalan na Menchino pala dyan. Pero, ayun na guys, tumahimik na. Nobody's here. Ayan. It's just me and the Mother Queen. Am I excited for Summer Sonic? Yes, I am. But at the same time, I don't know how it will be because of the jet lag. Because we're gonna go back to Asia, and then the time difference. Okay, ano na naman. Hirapan na naman tulog. I really had a hard time sleeping when we were here the first week. Grabe, as in like yung sleep ko, take 2 hours, 1 hour, or no sleep at all. Na-try ko na no sleep at all. Tapos, yung nangyari na hindi ako nakapunta sa rehearsals and napakatuloy rehearsals because of me. I felt so bad. Kasi I was really like a zombie. As in, nasaan ang ulo ko, sakit ng mata ko, I was like shaking. Alam mo yung pagbula ka talagang tubay. And then, I didn't have sleep for ilang days. Or like proper sleep. Tapos there's this one time pa, na parang finally nakatulog na ako ng medyo maaga. And then I woke up 2:30 kasi may nag-knock sa door na staff. Sabi, shampoo daw. So, parang super ano ba, like, I'm so sleepy pa. Di ko pa alam. Akala ko, I was thinking that time na, 8 a.m. na ba? We have to be up and going around 8 a.m. that time. Kasi may ganap kami. Tapos it's like, oh my god, is it 8 a.m.? Because usually, like, mga staff
they knock on the door and like yung mga maintenance, yung mga room service, they knock on your door when it's like morning na, like 8 a.m. So I was like, oh my god, I'm late. So when I saw the time, it's like 2:30. So after hindi na ako nakatulog. Ayoko mag-melatonin. Is it melatonin? Melatonin.
Melatonin.
Melatonin? Melatonin.
Melatonin.
Melatonin?
I'm not sure. Melatonin.
I only tried that once, but ayoko mag-try. Kasi ako kasi I'm not the type of person na pag may na-feel, diretso akong mag-meds. Like, gusto ko kung kayanin. Unless if I'm like having period pain, yun talaga hindi ko kaya.
You want a banana?
I'm good po, thank you. Honey is there lang sa condo ko with my helper. So, buti may nag-aalala sa kanya. I miss her so much. Oh my gosh. A lot of after Summer Sonic, after our Japan trip, we're going to Canada. So, the time difference na naman. Guys, you know what? I've been daydreaming about traveling a lot lately. As in, it's so bad. Some nights, I can't sleep. Hindi necessarily because I think about travel a lot. Last time na nakapag-travel ako outside the Philippines for leisure was when I went to Canada. And that was noong January pa. That's too long for me. I don't know. Iba talaga yung recharge na nabibigay ng travel. Kasi when I am outside the Philippines, when I travel and I get to explore new places, I feel like I feel so free. I feel like I'm Aya. I feel like grabe as in, I feel like I can breathe again. I mean, kasi when I travel, I usually go to dapat may like nature trip, so that's why I say I can breathe again. Tapos, I'm so happy. I'm just myself. I feel things more. I miss it. That's why I posted my last post about my travel experiences and memories. Kasi like almost every night I would look at my old photos from my travel days and like reminisce. I miss it so much. I miss traveling, being able to hang out with locals. Yeah. I'm thinking about it again. Yung pinaka-idol ko talaga when it comes to traveling. You guys know Anthony Bourdain? So amazing. I wanna travel like him. A traveler, not a tourist. Diba? So amazing. No, after yes, I will have an international trip this Halloween. That's what I'm looking forward. I'm not gonna tell you where, but well, it's a country na I've been there na, but I'm going back kasi I'm gonna be with my family and friends. It's gonna be fun. Then first time kasi nila, so I'm like, sige, okay lang. Kasi ako gusto ko sana na if I go to this country, I move on and go to another one. Because there's a lot of countries to go back. But I don't mind not going if like example, I keep going to Singapore, Taiwan. Kasi yun lang yung accessible for me kasi walang visa. So, okay lang sa akin po ganun. Kaya nagda-day trip ako. I actually miss it. I love day trips. Where did I get the courage to travel alone? I guess, kasi, so before I would travel with people, and I just didn't like the fact that I have to wait for them in order for me to travel and be free. So after that, I had the mindset na, you know what? I can go and travel alone. And when I did that, I felt so happy na parang, it's not lonely pala. I feel more alive, in fact. And sometimes, being with a lot of people makes me lonely. Kasi it's like, in a room filled with, I don't know how many people, sino dito yung may, like, deep, genuine connection talaga sa'yo. Because in this world, we need, sometimes all we crave for is connection. So, that's what I feel. That's what, like, I have, my tradition, guys, is that every birthday ko, I'm gonna travel alone because I just feel so alive. And I started this year when I went to Taiwan alone. It's not that I hate people, pero I just enjoy my time alone. I feel more free, I feel more happy, I feel more alive. That's it. And there's nobody you can give bad energy, bad vibes, kasi ikaw na mag-isa. You're in yourself. Diba? For those who get it, you get it. Yes, I went to Singapore alone for my birthday. So it's been 2 years now. Yeah. Oh, I actually don't. Wait. Recently, sa ornaments. Kasi my theme for this year's Christmas tree is yung mga ornaments from different countries. Last year was about dogs. Yun yung theme Christmas tree. Pero hirap kasi it's not always na Christmas yun. So they don't have ornaments available all the time. Pero there's one ornament I bought from Hawaii. I saw a store. I haven't been to Maldives. I wanna go to Peru because it's free, no visa required. Wait, dahan guys, hold on. It is 1:42 a.m. I don't have plans on getting another tattoo. Maybe if my brother wants to get a tattoo, then I will get a tattoo. The same coming. Because we've been talking about that since like how many years ago pa. So niya first tattoo niya is sibling tattoo. For me, best country to travel solo, with my experience. For starters, I think Bali. Kasi nakapag solo travel ako doon. I got to party there. Yeah, it was crazy. Nag-bar hopping ako doon in Bali. And I was so scared at first kasi I'm like, oh my god, am I really doing this? I'm putting my anxiety to the test. But I survived. It was so fun. I made friends with the bouncers there. Yung drink ko, okay. When I entered, kasi hindi ako actually, I may go to bars pero I don't drink. Sometimes, I just go for the music. Tapos, I go to the bar and then I go directly to where the DJ is. Kasi most likely they have a bouncer on the side. Or if not, I just like to go sa pinaka-front. Tapos usually there's like a lot of people sa front. So parang my technique, what I did is that as if my friend ako sa harap. So I'm like, excuse me, your friend's over there. Kasi ganun ako, like, inaano ko talaga na, excuse me, I have to be there with my friend nasa front. Tapos, pag nasa front na, syempre, they're gonna be like, saan yung friend niya? Ganun. So, sorry. Yung ginawa ko, nag-kaya ka na parang, shucks, nawala yung friend ko, nawala ako. Eh? Para na, I'll just stay here na lang. I'll wait for my friend. Kasi, nangyari din sa akin na parang, ano din ako, friend, yun, parang yun know, yung mga party friends, na parang you meet them there and then you talk the entire night. So they're like asking na, so saan na ba yung mga friends mo in English? They're like, where are your friends? Kasi napapansin nila parang 1 hour na ako ba rin mag-isa. And then, I'm like, I don't know, but the signal's so bad. Ganun. Well, also, the reason why I tell them that I have friends, kasi if you tell them you're alone, then you might be taken advantage of. So that was just like me trying to be wise or something. Na parang, okay, if you do something bad or like, I don't know, I have friends, lagot ka, parang ganun. The truth is I'm alone. Yeah, for safety purposes, kumbaga. And then I make friends with the bouncers parang ano, so people will think na lagi to dito, in which kahit hindi, kahit first time ko, so they're gonna think na lagi to dito, so kilala nga niya yung bouncer, gano'n. Kasi like I would always talk to the bouncers, as in like parang bestie na kami ng bouncers, and then sumasayaw kami with the bouncers, so parang mukhang VIP ako. Tapos usually may mga tables yan sa gilid, gano'n. Well, to the bar that I went, may table sa gilid. So, pag walang tao, pinapaupo ako doon. So, parang mukha akong VIP na parang, ay, ano ba to? Owner ba to? Ano, bar or something. Kasi siya lang isa. Tapos, friends ng bouncers. Ayun. Tapos, I vibe with the DJ. Like, ganun. So, ayun. Feeling ko, akala siguro ng mga tao na, ay, owner yata to. Kasi, bestie yung bouncers. Tapos, nasa pinakaharap ng sa may DJ. Tapos, pero ako, I think I didn't drink that time. Kasi ako nung isa, I just really went for the vibes and for the music. Tapos may mga lumalapit sa akin. Kasi they're like, feeling ko kasi napapansin nila ako lang mag-isa. So, that's why yun yung parang naging excuse ko na, oh no, my friends are here. And I'm gonna go home with them. So, I'll just, kasi something ganon. Kasi sinasabi ko na, if I tell them na it's just me, ayoko na mga gawin parang, comfortable. Ayoko na mga ganon. Parang people will take advantage or something about others or conversation. Ayoko mga ganon. I just want to go to dance. That's it. Yeah,